In this tutorial, I will show you one of the many routes one might choose to identify candidate vaccine antigens. If we go to our Queries and Tools page, we can choose from here a query that will identify proteins which contain signal peptides and are thus likely to be secreted or on the surface. We say Get Answer, and there are 835 proteins. Notice we have that query now in our query history. We can also then look for, using the orthology profile query, genes which are present, or I should say conserved, among Hemosporidia. So we'll pick up all the Plasmodium species, but not conserved with mammals. We can click off mammals. Just want to double check. Yep. Click off mammals. We have 1,700 genes which fit those criteria. We have two queries. If we go to our Queries and Tools page, we can do a transcript to profile, transcript expression using expression percentile. We can select either synchronization. We want things which are expressed in late Schizonts, and a minimum of 80% of expression percentile. This results in just over 1,000. We now have 3 queries in our history. And the fourth query that we'll do will be to look using SNPs for genes which may be under diversifying selection. So we'll choose HB3, which has pretty deep sequence coverage, as our comparator. We'll choose at least 5 SNPs in the coding region and a DNDS ratio of, a non-synonymous to synonymous SNP ratio greater than 5. Choose Get Answer. There are 276. We now want to intersect or get the intersection of these 4 queries. We can do that in the query history with combine with other results or clicking on My Query History. We just want to simply intersect these 4 queries. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And say Get Combined Result. This results in 7 genes. We see that we have AMA1 here, cell surface antigen. We have merozoite protein 9 and a reticulocyte binding protein, as well as 4 hypothetical proteins.